How to fix Twitter videos not playing on iPhone? Let's jump right into the steps. Very first, you want to go ahead and open Control Panel on your phone and see if your Wi-Fi is working or not. If not, you need to open flight mode for some time and then turn it off again. And you need to make sure the Wi-Fi connection is correct. Other thing is you want to go to the settings of your phone and then you want to scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone storage. Now after the thing is loaded, you want to scroll down and tap on X, that is new Twitter. And here you need to offload the app by tapping on offload and tapping on offload again, and you need to reinstall it and that might work. Other thing is you need to open Twitter app, that is X, and here you need to tap on your profile and then tap on settings and support. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now go to the search bar and search for data, and then in the bottom you can see data uses, so you want to tap on that, and here you need to make sure this data saver is turned off. And high quality images and other high quality images are always put to on cellular or Wi-Fi. And that is how you can fix Twitter videos not playing on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.